Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. And this video, I am going to find out the stocks for tomorrow and based on the candlesticks pattern. So what are the stocks which is filtered by our candlesticks pattern that we are going to discuss on this video. And previously we talked about Shriram Transport that was working good and well. So that is what the stock which we have selected based on the doji, right? So those who are doing the trading on that based on doji, once it is broken around 1391, it fallen down to 1362, almost 30 point. It was generated and the stop loss is near about 35 points. Almost it gives you 1:1 risk reward ratio that based on this candlesticks pattern. I'm not using any technical indicator, only the pure candlesticks pattern that was working good. So same like that for tomorrow's trading, what are the best stocks which we are going to find out that I'm going to discuss here. So let I open my dashboard. So we have a lot of spinning top candles. So we normally don't focus for a spinning top candle because where the spinning top candle which is present by upper Bollinger Band or lower Bollinger Band at monthly high, monthly low. So that we need some confirmation for to trading with the spinning top candles. But a doji, hammer and the shooting star other kind of candles having more potential profit where we can make the reversal in the trend by using the particular candlesticks pattern. So we have a stock called a Britannia that is forming a hammer. So let me go to check. The Britannia forms a hammer candle. So we'll try Britannia Industries. Yes, it forms a hammer candle after a big trend from 3900 to 3600, almost after 300 point down. After a 300 point down, there is a reversal in reversal pattern which present at the lowest level. Maybe good chances the reversal from that particular point would be possible. So this is based on hammer candle. Let's look at what was the risk for the trade. Is around 3667 and 3607. So if we are playing a trade based on this pattern, this trade takes a risk of 60 points. So the risk for the trade is around 60 rupees. So if the risk is suitable to you, you can play this trade, or else you can ignore the trade and how it is working. And let's check it out or backtest these things. So this is the trade where we are going to focus for a buy opportunity. Once it is break around 3667 should be the buy entry point based on the hammer candle, and the stop loss for the trade where we can make is around 3607. So if you execute the trade, there is a risk of 60 points. But what I'm expecting after a 300 points down from the top, almost 300 point down, there is a reversal may be possible. If it is breaks, it may go up to 3800 level. Maybe 50% of this previous fall may covered or pull back. So maybe having chances of 150 point maybe profit, that we took the risk around 60 point. So comparatively 1:2 more. So those will based on purely a candlesticks pattern. So tomorrow if market opens gap higher or gap lower, but we are waiting for the entry price of this 0.3667. So if after market open, if the level is broken, so it should be the best and better trade if we are focusing for the reversal in the particular stock hammer, that is uh, in Britannia Industries. There is opportunity. Let's see if the previous hammer is also working good. Here is the hammer, there is what entry point, and within a 4 days it moves well. And here is the reversal, and that is means inverted hammer, that is also giving you such a good result. But this was happening at highest level. So that is what my main key, where I find out such a kind of reversal must be happen at highest and lowest level. There is another shooting star, that is the high, and it fallen down in next 3 days. So such a way we can use the candlesticks pattern to find out the trend reversal that I'm using here. So I got some good response from this kind of videos on my channel, and thank you for following me, and thank you for keep supporting me on my channel. And and if you are new, kindly subscribe. This is the one stock we find out a trade opportunity. That is what nothing but buy opportunity in the stock, because after a big fall we are expecting the reversal by based on the candlesticks pattern. So the second one is Titan, but it is not a hammer candle, but it was happening by doji. Let me find out. Yes, it is a doji where it is present at a highest level. So this is what the highest level where we find out a doji, and what should be the risk for the trade is around 2461 and 2493. Almost here, if you see, there is we are expecting there is a sell at this point in Titan, that is 2461 is a sell entry, and the stop for the trade is 2494 or 93. So here we may be taking around 31 point risk. If the risk is suitable to you, you can. Why I am focusing for the selling reversal? Because it has already give you good uptrend. So after this uptrend may have the chances got reversed back. That is the reason we are focusing for a selling opportunities on the stock. And if it is giving you opportunity by tomorrow, you can keep the stop loss of 2493 and above. That is what the trade opportunity. But if it is doesn't give you opportunity, and if you look at this stock, it's keep on going higher and higher, there is a chances of continuation also. But I'm not interested to buy the stock even if it is breaks higher, because it is already big in top. It is already in highest level. I'm not interested to buy the stock at highest level, and maybe the chances is reverse the trend from that top, maybe good chances to make profit from that. So this is what another stock which we selected by the candlesticks pattern. The two stocks we have taken out from this list, and no other stocks where we find out by this, and can go for uh, candlesticks pattern of double candle. That is what a kind of double candle, white inside out, break, black inside out, down to their bottom. So not a good stocks. And let's go for a continuation pattern. There are any stocks? ICICI Bank separating line bullish, Wipro, Nam India. So not good at all. Rising 3, Manapuram, Tata Power. That's it. ICICI Bank, let me check separating line bullish. So this two stocks is good enough. ICICI is keep on going higher and higher. Now it is in the topmost level, and previously it is a doji like candle. So this one I'm expecting here at this point. I'm expecting down, but here also expecting down. But it continues the trend. So both the way is possible. If the doji is present at the top, it is a both the sides are possible. So only two stocks we selected. One is Titan and another one is Britannia. So let me check about tomorrow how the stock is performing. Meanwhile, if you are not subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe it. And if you like this video, hit the like button and share to your friends if you like this video. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you very much.